Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map.
So we've arrived in Bangkok. Our hotel was about an hour away from the airport, but it's not too bad. There was traffic during work hour. But now we're gonna head out, grab some food, probably try the McDonald's here because they have a pineapple pie. At home we have just apple pie. And then we'll go get a SIM card, ATM, and there's actually a Boots here, so we'll get some paracetamol and things like that too. All of that is on this big street called Koh San Road, so that's nice. It's just about a 10-minute walk from our hotel. And yeah, I'll show you the room before we head out. Oh, and the reason we got a SIM card and ATM outside the airport is because it's supposed to be like half the price. So that's a good travel hack to know. So good morning from Bangkok. Yesterday we went to a Muay Thai fight at Bangkok's most prestigious stadium, but today we decided to tour some of the temples in Bangkok, and the first one is Arun. So what's insane is that as you get closer to the temple, you see that it's old, but it's shiny still. And it's literally like small ceramic, almost like teacups or tea plates. And the whole tower is just decorated with, I could say, thousands of them. I think this is about 300 years old too, so while it's colourful and ceramic, you can still see that age, which makes it really feel like a cool temple. So right now we're at Wat Pho. This is just about a 10-minute drive away from Wat Arun, which we previously visited. This happens to be the oldest temple in Bangkok. So old it's actually been here before Bangkok itself. Another interesting thing we learned is that each place starts with Wat and then it has a name, but what it means is that in Southeast Asia it's a term referred to a Buddhist temple.
There's a school here, I think, so the kids keep running.
There's a school here, which is so cool. Imagine you come out and this is what your surroundings are.
Your playground.
And in this building here, apparently inside, there's a huge giant golden Buddha laying on its side. So we're going to go inside and check it out.
And I got given this nice skirt to cover up my legs because I'm wearing shorts. So make sure you bring something long, but if you don't, it's not a problem because they will give you some cloth or a skirt by the entrance. I think it's so big it goes all the way down to here. So this is as steep. So it goes all the way down. It's a bit later in the day now. We've come for dinner. This is like an authentic Thai restaurant. It was really cheap with really good reviews. So now we ordered some spring rolls. Really excited to try them, which was so good, but we forgot to record it. Unfortunately, we just ate them so quickly. And now the curries are here. What did you get?
So I got, I believe it's called the masama curry.
Yeah, masamang curry. Yeah.
So I'll try the sauce first. A bit hotter than I expected. Yeah, already it has so much flavour from one little bit.
Yeah.
It's even got a tangy flavour.
That's so cool.
I'll try it with a bit of rice. The texture of the rice just melts on your tongue. It's really good.
I got a yellow Thai curry. So much flavor.
I'm gonna have to try some.
So good, definitely. So good.
The thing is, when we were looking for this place, we almost walked past it because we weren't aware it's like a cool street through the outside stalls. We thought it was an actual place. But we turned around, we spotted it, and it feels like it's going to be an authentic experience. Even just waiting for the food, you can smell the spices, the herbs, all being used to make our curry.
So now we've come to the other side of Bangkok from where we're staying. We're at this shopping centre called Terminal 21. We didn't realise, but it's like got really cool themes to it. Each floor is like a different city or a country. Right now we're in London apparently. Up is Istanbul, and below us was Japan. Yeah, it's so cool.
And even like the windows and everything is made to look like a modern airport.
Yeah, that's why it's called Terminal 21, we think.
So now we've travelled to Phuket in Thailand. We've been quite lucky with the weather. We've had a lot of sun, so we've explored some of the beaches, tried some of the good food, and just took this time to relax during our travels. What's interesting is that it is easier to here because I guess this island is more touristy, maybe similar to what you have in some areas of Spain where it's just lots of tourists and lots of attractions and resorts and things to do. But yeah, we've had a short stay here. Deciding to do is visit the Phi Phi Islands tomorrow. But before we leave, we also had to check out the Big Buddha, which is in what area?
I think it's Caron.
Caron.
Yeah.
But the interesting part is that we went last minute because it was a great day at the beach. The waves were insane and we just wanted to spend as much time as we could there. Now we were driven up this extremely steep hill where the Big Buddha is.
The views are crazy.
Crazy.
You'll see what we mean. In a literal cloud, it's like raining and it's so foggy. You can't see more than like 20 meters in front of you. We can't even properly see the actual Buddha. You can see the outline, you see it a little
You can make
bit.
the face, luckily.
Yeah.
We've just managed to see the face. There's also monkeys just climbing around here.
So many, yeah. But it's so cool. Like, you don't get to experience it like this.
Like we've been visiting temples and other Buddhas, but weather's been perfect, but this creates like a little twist and it adds a lot more atmosphere
Mystery
to it. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So also here there's an interesting thing going on. So I'm not sure what they're called, but it's like a big, almost like a big flat bell. Tourists are trying to rub it and it's supposed to make a huge sound, almost like an electronic guitar. But one of the staff members here, they know how to do it perfectly. Everyone just watches it and the noise is insane. You think it's coming out of a speaker. So now we're at Mr. Kwong's seafood shop, I think it's called. Yesterday we found it and it had some good reviews, so we decided to try it out. And the prices and the food is so good that we decided to come the second day. And what a lot of people serve is crab in Phuket. And I thought, well, if you like this place, this might be the better spot to try crab. This is in a yellow Thai curry. And you've got prawns.
I got some garlic prawns and chips, yeah.
With hardly any fishy taste. I've tried crab before, but it's been a long time. With together with this curry sauce, it's perfect.
And I'm going to try it for the first time. I don't think I've had crab. I might have when I was very little as well.
Interesting though, like really nice.
The meat is so soft.
So today we have arrived at the Phi Phi Islands, one of Thailand's most famous things to see. But it's not just because it's famous, but it's also beautiful. Like the water, the color is just another level of crystal clear and turquoise, and matched with this like really sort of off-white sand. It just creates such a beachy vibe. And we're actually off season, yet the weather is perfect.
The movie, The Beach, was actually filmed here with Leonardo DiCaprio, right here on the beach. It's so beautiful. The colour of the water, and there's supposed to be baby sharks here, but we've not seen any yet.
Not yet.
But they're somewhere here.
And they're also, because it's a national park, they're very strict on like going into the water, you can't swim, just to protect the wildlife around. And because of that, there also doesn't seem to be hardly any trash, so that's the nice thing about it.
Yeah. So we've returned back from Phi Phi Islands. and we've come to Phuket Old Town now, and we're in front of this hotel where the beach, the movie where Leo stayed.
Yeah, one of the hotels where he stayed. When he found out about the island Maya Bay, we weren't specifically looking out for it. We just wanted to head to the Old Town and found out that the On hotel is just here, so why not check it out?
Yeah, at first we thought it was in Bangkok, but
Yeah.
no, it's actually here in Phuket Old Town. Half of it looks like it's getting refurbished, but yeah, this is the hotel. And the streets in Phuket Old Town are very pretty.